strategy today?
Strategia? Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble for a while. That dirt track section had you crawling.
To truly crush one's dream, you must first raise their hopes very high.
Mater!
Hey, McQueen! What happened? Is the race over? You won, right?
Mater, why were you yelling things at me while I was racing?
Yelling? Oh, you thought... Oh, that's funny right there. Nah, see, that's because I seen these two fellers doing some sort of karate street performance. It was nuts. One of them even had a flamethrower.
A flamethrower? What are you talking about? I don't understand. Where were you?
Going to meet my date.
Your date?
She started talking to me as a voice in my head telling me where to go.
What?
Wait a minute. I didn't screw you up, did I?
I lost the race because of you.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Your imaginary girlfriend? Flamethrowers? You know, this is exactly why I don't bring you along to these things.
Bart! That is the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
Maybe if I don't know, talk to somebody and explain what happened, I could help.
I don't need your help. I don't want your help.
You little... You dringle, you...
Diddly. Bart, stop it!
Hey, there he is!
McQueen, you had it in the bag!
Yeah, what happened?
I made a mistake, but I can assure you it won't happen again. Look, guys, we know what the problem is, and we've taken care of it.
Lightning McQueen loses in the last lap to Francesco Bernoulli in the first race of the World Grand Prix. And count them, 3 cars flamed out, leading some to suggest that their fuel, all in all, might be to blame.
All in all, it's safe. Alternative fuel is safe. There is no way my fuel caused these cars to flame out.
Well, the jury may still be out on whether all in all caused these accidents, but one thing's for sure, Lightning McQueen blew this race.
Team McQueen can't be happy right now.